Today we would like to welcome the decision of the Goa government, where they have said that they are going to vaccinate all the seafarers on priority from the 3rd of June. So this is a welcoming move from the Goa government, and we welcome this move. It was not required that we had to go to the court, but it is better late than never. This move is a good move. I would like to thank the government. Also, I would like to thank my advocate, that is Advocate Ryan Menezes, Advocate Antonio Clofis de Costa, for filing the petition for safeguarding the rights of seafarers. आज सगळे तारवटी इतले रावताले,
कितले तारवटी आहेत?
there are almost, I think, good 10 to 15,000 seafarers who are going to be joining and who has already got letters, who have done the first dose and waiting for the second dose. So now, since the Chief Minister has already agreed to give priority for the seafarers, atani mukarang paton kota aspa laina zapa, through this source only we would like to request the Chief Minister that now also please come out with reducing the time of the second dose for all those seafarers who have already taken the first dose and who are going to take the first dose, to reduce the time and make it less. Same like the Kerala government, how they have reduced the time to 4 to 6 weeks. So 4 to 6 weeks करचे आणि हे जी सर्टिफिकेट जनरेट जाता तेजे तेंगेलो पासपोर्ट नंबर घालचो. Whoever wants to travel abroad, not only seafarers, whoever also wants to travel abroad, तांके 4 to 6 weeks a provision करून दिवचे. आता प्रोविजन करून दिवपाक जो कोविन पोर्टल आहा त्या पोर्टलाचे करपा जाय. सो कोविन पोर्टल इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द सेंट्रल. सो हे सेंट्रला कडेन तेमी मागोवन घेवचे, जे भाशेन केरला गव्हर्मेंटान मागोवन घेयला. आनी इन द मीन टायम तुमी लोकली हिंगा जात जाल्यार ते चेंज करून सीफेरर एक लेटर दिची, बिकॉज फ्रॉम कोविन पोर्टल यू विल नॉट एबल टू गेट द डिसिजन इमिजिएटली फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल. But as a pro-government, try to get this done locally here for the state as you wait for the central government to come back. So today is, I think, a great achievement. We've done our part. Now we would also like to request the government that any help is required from us, from Aam Aadmi Party. Because Aam Aadmi Party has always been very pro in taking up people's issue. We have always been there for seafarers. I being from the seafarer background. We are ready to help our volunteers, our team, our families who have already recovered from COVID are ready to come out and help and volunteer to get the things organized for seafarers at whichever vaccination centers they are going to create for seafarers. So I think today is a moment of happiness for all of us. We've got Captain Elban, who is also the president of the Maritime Union of India. We both had gone to the Chief Minister's house in order to give our memorandum. I think Captain should share a few words. And I would like to also thank the GSAI, that is Goan Seamen's Association of India. They have been following up this matter very sincerely. They have put in a lot of memorandums to the MPT, to the Goa government. So they have been rigorously following up this matter. So also like to thank that team of Goan Seafarers Association of India, because in Goa they are doing a lot of efforts. Besides all of us, they really need to get a credit for all this achievement too. I really like to thank the president, that is Frank, the secretary, that is Benny DeCosta, and the treasurer, that is Mr. Santan. I think we all need to share together this achievement of getting this from the Goa government today. Thank you.
As a family member of a seafarer, I would like to thank Captain Venzi in taking up this initiative for the seafarers, because I know a lot of families are apprehensive about the jobs of the seafarers. They don't know what is going to happen because of this vaccine. So I really thank Captain Venzi for taking this initiative, and I welcome the decision of the government to prioritize the seafarers.
Madam, your good name?
I am Namita De Silva. I am wife of Captain Elban De Silva.
Welcome the decision of the state government for prioritizing the seafarers for this vaccine drive. It is a great help for all the seafarers, as we had requested the same, and as a lot of seafarers were unemployed for a lot of time. They were not getting vaccines, no employment. from the owners because of this vaccination. This would really be a great achievement for the seafarers. I would also like to thank Captain Venzi for going a step ahead and filing this PIL. This was another thing which was done as a seafarer for the seafarers community. It was really great, and I really appreciate the thing what he has gone through for the seafarers. Thank you very much.
Captain, your good name?
Yeah, my name is Captain Alban De Silva. I am the President of Maritime Union of India. We as a union, along with NOSI and other Ship Owners Association, had requested the central government to identify seafarers as key workers. That is when the circular was released by the DG Shipping, identifying seafarers as key workers.
Key workers.
The IMO had already identified, and the Indian government also recognized, and then they directed the state governments to prioritize seafarers. Now our state government has also agreed to that, and we really welcome this decision. Thank you.